Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can update apps on your Huawei Nova 11 Pro. Maybe something doesn't run as smoothly anymore, maybe you just want to look for an update or whatever it is. You need to go to your app gallery, go to your profile, and then you have app updates here. And you see we have 17 updates recommended, few more, and these are all the updates we have available, and we can go ahead and update one just for demonstration reasons. Right now it's updating, as you can see right now. App gallery, go back, and when we now go to app updates, we have 13 left. All right, just had 17, 12 interesting, 11 interesting. So that's how you can look for updates for your apps on your Huawei Nova 11 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. So thumbs up, share and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.